Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's here by Alexandrus, and today I wanted to bring this smart money, smart token to the channel, guys, because it's an actual tool that can help you make some money on the blockchain, and it utilizes artificial intelligence, and well, on top of that, it is also doing pretty well when it comes to the token itself. So before we start with the video, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, fellas. So smart money, as they describe themselves here, they are decrypting on-chain insights with AI across multiple blockchains to trace the top traders and outperform the masses. So essentially what they want to do is help you get into the profitable trades before other people do. Simple as that, okay? And to utilize this, they have this Telegram bot that you can use. As you can see, Smart Money Tracker, Smart Money Config bot. So both of these will be linked down below in the description of this video. Of course, they have Telegram community as well. So if you want to join, then you have to go through this portal to verify yourself, and then you can join the chat and chat with the other people that are in the project, guys. And you can see some of the previews, how it looks like here. You can check out the wallets. You can check out what this exact wallet, for example, is investing in, what kind of P&L they are looking at, what kind of ROIs and profits they are at, and you have, as you can see, the bot itself here. You can use the configuration to set it up to your preferences, okay? And you can set exactly what you want it to show you and what to track, okay? And as you can see, you have some different wallets. You can check out the ROIs, total wallet ROI, specific coin ROIs. As you can see, you can check your criteria for example, fresh wallets, high win rate, big P&L, average profits, and it will basically help you, as it says, to utilize smart money, to follow the smart money, and to make profits. So it's a really cool initiative, to be honest. How it works: powerful trading solutions. Smart money enables traders to capitalize on the next winners early by leveraging AI to decrypt transactions and uncover smart money. Traders are filtered using advanced criteria to identify those who consistently bring high returns. Fast and easy setup. This Telegram bot allows tailoring of notifications to meet user-specific needs. And then advanced analytics. The algorithm analyzes the best performing tokens on a daily basis and uncovers the top traders. You have alerts in real time, guys, okay? So whenever there is a profitable trade executed or a new transaction, you will be alerted, okay? That's through the bot. Smart Money, the holistic DeFi analytics solution. Here you can check how smart tokenomics work. They have real cool tokenomics, to be honest. There is 4% tax for marketing and development, which is absolutely justified, and 1% allocated to buyback and burn. So buyback and burn, guys, essentially means that they will buy back the supply from the market and then burn it forever, so they will decrease the supply forever, okay? And this, I mean, the buyback itself can bring the price up, and then decreasing the supply with increasing demand can also mean huge gains, okay? Because there will be lower supply, demand is high, thus the price should go up, and so far, I mean, it is kind of working, okay? It is kind of working. Today it's up really nicely, while other cryptos are really down today. So yeah, just today they are up almost 50%, but we'll talk about this in a second. They have a liquidity lock for 1 year. When it comes to the spread out of the tokens, 10% allocated for centralized exchanges, 90% for LP, so fully transparent and lovely. Features of SMRT. Enter the crypto inner cycle, developed into an effective trader, be early to rising narratives. And then you have the utility of the token itself, so 100% of smart money subscription fees are utilized to buy and burn smart. And there is access to a token gated alpha discussion group, and I assume that they will also develop more utilities, okay? You have official contract address here, and you also have the Telegram that I just showed you right there. So this is the Telegram, this is the group. I recommend you to join and check it out, and obviously you can decide whether you want to use it or no. Also, guys, go ahead, check them out on Twitter, okay? They have 2,700 followers. I will drop them a follow. I'm just not logged in yet. But as you can see, they are also announcing some collaborations, some partnerships. As you can see, many strategic partnerships, actually. So it's great to see, and they are pushing constant updates here on the Twitter. So if you want to be updated with all the things that are occurring with smart money in the real time, then you should definitely be following them here on their Twitter or X, as well as Telegram, obviously. Yeah. So let's get right into the charts. So they are listed on CoinMarketCap, they are listed on CoinGecko, so that's great. Market cap, guys, 2.4 million. So this has a lot, I mean a lot of room for growth, okay? You could be looking at 10, 20, 30, even 50x here. since this has utility, okay? It has real utility, it has real use case, it is a working product, it is a Telegram bot, and a lot of people and traders use Telegram. We are close to the halving as well, so crypto can go absolutely incredible, insane. I mean, it already does, but it could be even crazier than that. So the potential is here, okay? Many people are trading alts now and different coins and tokens, so this tool is definitely helpful for them, okay? It has just 100,000 volume, so imagine this would be like 1 million, 10 million volume. This market cap could really grow insanely quickly, okay? And you can even go ahead and look at DEX tools as I have here. You can check out the total volume, total market cap, obviously how much supply there is. Really good liquidity. There is 300,000 liquidity with 2.4 million market cap, so this can really move quite fast when it comes to the price. And so far so good, you know. Obviously some swing trading here and there, some pullbacks, but as you can see, eventually those get eaten up. And the pattern here looks like it could really just send, okay? See? I mean, it has been steadily growing, okay? Some pullbacks and then it was going back up. That's the all-time high, I believe, and it can easily go over this all-time high, and I mean it really easily, guys, okay? So this is really undervalued, I would say, and it has tons of potential. So if you want to check it out, I will plug the links down below in the description of this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. Let me know whether you will use it, whether you will check out the bot. And if you are already using it, you can give me your personal comments and experiences on it down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.